reason for the action. Sometimes you boys surround it, post it, just like
okay. We're...
Video.
To the search now? We can get to the search. So that happens early February. And the ticket process hoping that it will give them something.
Paul, dude.
When he walks in, he notices that
and then they get mad that you didn't let them in.
So what do you think our max rate would be then for 4 now?
It's probably around... Oh, Jesus. Jesus fucking Christ!
I think you got hit. Give me a call later.
What the f...
Spend more defense without giving up the good life. Russia produces enough military kit to build an army the size of Germany's every 6 to 12 months. Under its pretentious president, Vladimir Putin, it is busy invading one European country country, admitting the threat of several others. European country, admitting the threat of several others. Western intelligence officers seem to think a Ukraine-style attack on a NATO ally by 2030 is a distinct possibility. Faced with this sobering analysis, Europeans might have been forgiven.
What the f was that?
NFL and by MetLife, the official insurance company of the New York Giants. It's time to go to the booth. For
What
takeoff
the heck?
presented by
Idiot!
Right there. Oh my god, watch right there. Adrian! Are you kidding me?
Whoa.
Was raving about, and when we got there, he didn't make a reservation. I guess he kind of just thought, oh, like, he'll get us in because, you know, he knows the place. So, but there was like an hour and a half wait. Yeah, and
on it. One day, I think, Jenna, in my brain, I thought of it as like work and not like recreational, you know? I think that's why.
Man.
Recreational boating. Yes, that's it, exactly. That is absolutely true.
This the hardest, supersonic, systematic, too retarded, new facade, new apartment, big closet, new carpet, big apartment, school of garment, set my goal, few accomplished, shooting target, moving target.
Don't you try anything funny now.
From the back, I told her move her hands. That's something where on your top, I'm with that. Don't look back. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. They talking about nothing. What they talking about?
So, agarrar los huevos de fucking step on it. What the f are you doing?
Tengo llamadas perdidas, mi borra ya varias veces me marcó. Cuidado, no regreses al carbón. Y que la de por perdida no hay pega, aquí tengo a su amigo un lado. Y lo mueve mucho mejor. No te tengo aquí a mi lado, pero me la paso chingón. Con 4 días empezado.
Getting some attention, and I haven't heard it. Seems like a weird collaboration, does it not? Yeah, shocking.
Hey!
Does a lot of dancing.
white supremacists aligned or inspired extremists think it's
People, Christ almighty!
Tu forces en avance, on reste entre nous. Ne mélange pas. Les amis sont des bons comptes. Les ennemis sont compte. Je suis censé priver mon cher.
shit. Sorry for that.
Watching again at like 10:30 and the women were fighting.
Okay. What the hell? What even was that?
Hit.
Then people start hiring like crazy in 2021. 2022 sees a boom, plus 54.2%. Right? It's like, oh, okay, like, let's go, let's get a job, let's get a job.
Are you kidding me?
Это Андрей.
What is your problem?
Making meaning for young people, whatever their gender identity is, about who they are in the world that isn't just like reactionary and bad.
Listen, I think.
Right, we'll get a lid when you're up there next, and we can take you home, and I just grab me Chipotle.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Oh my gosh. Jesus. What the hell, man?
Current loop video is now locked.
You're an idiot.
What you think? Just don't call me up. Bitch, they might have made some. Even though I sometimes get afraid of faced up.
Glenmore Trail is so east over the reservoir, approaching 14th Street, last of the volume.
You're joking. Can you move?
I'm a walking brick, yeah, that be your bitch. On my dick, I'm a rock star. Yeah, I'm rocking shit.
I just think what we're in is now. And what it is it's the capacity to love. You can take from somebody all of their resources. You can take
Merry Christmas to any New Yorker listening. I've been helping to, kind of see through what the hell is going on in New York City. So.
Okay, so how do you, it's funny, Aaron Lewis.
I wish to inform you that the,
Head north on Inside 65 and slide right.
get the going puff. Can you imagine? Finally, Jesus Christ. Don't you come in my lane, you holy shit, dude. I'm not buzzing. I'm not buzzing. I just said, Mama, ain't no snow around. You better not pull out in front of me, you bastard.
Jesus Christ.
What the f?
What the fuck, bro?
This person. Watch out!
Jeez.
What the f is wrong with you? Can you not see me? Go! Get the
Years is creating AI porn with women he knew from college, possibly his coworkers, etc. I am betrayed, humiliated, and disgusted. I can't believe these measures over the safety, privacy, dignity of unsuspecting women who are not considered.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.